Folks, you guys, you cannot believe it. I am inside the Wildwood 270 Xenox. This is trailers designed based on relaxations, the new modern technology, all contemporary, relaxing, all the extreme you've seen in Dubai Blink, all the 5-star hotels, you name it. Every single item on this unit is being chosen by special interior design. We're bringing the 70s and the new centuries, from the aerospace look, recliner chairs, from the light fixtures, from the light in the ceiling, from the lights over the, I will go in detail, but physically, folks, is this look in the back. I mean, Forest River, they went to the extreme by giving you this travel trailer with the rear view window. You could sit here enjoying the cup of coffee early in the morning. You could enjoy the natures with your travel trailers. And from the arch they created with the nice, light things, the recliners, or I call them swivel rockers, they're like from spaceship. I mean, you look at them, the oval shape, and you lean on them and you go to bed and sit, relax, meditations, and nobody bother you. Beautiful LEDs, all modern LEDs. You have the nice LED strip in the ceiling, LED over your kitchen. This is amazing. Whoever thought you're gonna have this solid wood paneling with LED inside these paneling? It's contemporary. This is modern homes. And then you're sitting here, beautiful hide-a-bed sofa, 3-seat sofa, so I could sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4. So I could sit 9 people in this unit with no problem. And by the way, this is a hide-a-bed, as you could tell from here, facing the nice beautiful TV going up and down on electric motor, modern fireplaces. It's amazing. And then this TV you could see on a switch up and down. So if you need more view, you could open the window behind it and it give you more light. Also, you could utilize it as a counter space. If you bring the TV all the way down, it become a counter space. But look at this beautiful slide out with the wood paneling. And then you close this and you have a very, very big opening. You could utilize, I mean, I could push in this one, but I'm demonstrating. You go up and there's a plug, light, you name it. And so it gives you the big opening on this unit. Nice fireplace, lighting. You could use it as a desk. You could close this one also if you want. Now going to the kitchen, is the one who ever thought about this is amazing. A huge counter space next to your 3-burner range and an oven, cooking pan, doors. Look, even I love this, they merge the black wood paneling with the beige gray, and then give you here this is a solid wood painted, so more storage, another storage here is for dishes. And then if you need doors for cooking pans, for utensils right there. Even they give you a place for trash cans, so you could take your trash can through it and you have more room behind it. In the kitchen countertop, they give you 4 bar stools, so I could sit and serve as a nice beautiful dinette. So the wife, she could cook something and serve us. People could sit there for social, 3 there, 2 there, so total 9. Country sink, as you see, big country sink, and still more storage. How deep it is. Look, you could put anything you like, from storage pantries, the 11 cubic foot 12 refrigerators. And then I'm speechless. I never seen a beautiful travel trailers with the wood paneling and nice LED light inside the wood paneling and in the ceiling. It's very bright. This area, so this area you could use it as a bar, as a storage place. It give you very open look, because when you have the mirrors, it's make the trailers very open. So you have a storage here. You could use it mixing drinks, margarita mixers, bottles, you name it, or storage. If you don't drink, storage. And then ladies, they don't cut corners. They're still giving you the big pantry. So you have the big pantry with adjustable shelf. You have the huge kitchen counter space with an aisle in the middle and the 4-bar stool. You have another big counter space next to the 3-burner range and the macro and the oven. So amazing. And again, it's only 27 foot, but the look, the design make it very unique. This is a unique travel trailers. This is what Forest River doing for 2026, is going beyond the box. Everybody make traditional travel trailers, but Forest River now they took it to the extreme with this 270 Xeon. Walking through here's Zen 270 Zen. So as you see here, I have more lighting. There's a step here to get in. If I want to turn these lights, there's more storage here. And then there's another storage area here. So you could see it's a RV king size bed. It's a versatile, so it's a king size bed, 66 by 78, and versatile. What does mean versatile? Is I could go down here and I could bring the bed down if I want to gain more. So if I'm just gonna walk in and go to bed, all I do, I have to push that switch, the whole bed go down, and then I have a nice here beautiful TV I could have. So I could add a second TV here. So it's already come with no TVs because we try to keep the cost less, and TVs cost so less right now from Costco or Amazon. So this trailer could handle 2 TVs, one in the living area, one in the bedroom. And as I said, it's very nice, beautiful king size bed. You lay down, and plus is giving you step here, so you don't have to go through what I did in the middle. Lay down in the bed, enjoy it. You have a second AC over your bed. And you could have a place for your TV here, a lot of storage, a lot of shelf. There's a plug for CPAP machines, so you name it. So everything you need. Plus, I like what they did when they curve it at the end, so you could see it's easy to walk around it with no problem. More closet here. And if you tell me, no, Niall, this is not enough for me, well, guess what? How about this one? I have a full hanging closet with lights. Also, it's a prep for washer and dryer. So if I decide, I could put a stackable washer and dryer here, I could put a combo, or I could leave it the way it is. So 2.7 Zen, beautiful, beautiful unit. Look how beautiful this arch here on this door is, very arch. Also the mirrors, it has an arch, and endless hot water here, as we notice. Prep area, nice sink, LED light, shelf, place for towels, no issue. Porcelain toilet, plenty of room, and as I said, you see here a big shower. 270 Xeon, plenty of room. And this one, people, they don't realize this is a towels hanger. We just came from inside the brand new 2026 Forest River Wildwood 270 Xenix. This unit is off the box. It's coming from different planets. Let me show you the outside features. A beautiful Wildwood, nice middle front, and then we have a nice, you could see here's LED strip, which is making it very bright. And then you have the pass-through storage. You could see amazing of storage in the front. And then you have the 2 power awning on this unit, and you could see the lighting of these power awning in each one. It's driving me nuts. As you see, this unit comes with a beautiful 2 power awning with LED strip. This has heated enclosed underbelly, so it's all totally covered. 3-step to get in. Again, 270 Xenix, beautiful entry assistant handle. On this slide out, you have another nice LED light strip in the front. It comes with a TV bracket, so you could put your 32-inch, 40-inch TV over here. Outside speakers, TV hookup, and so you could bring this awning down, put your TV, and enjoy the outside outdoor. This unit, it has 4 electric stabilizer jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and all you have to do is just push the switch, and they bring them down. Spare tire on the cover. And again, I like what they did. They put the spare tire to this side, so you could enjoy the beautiful big window in the rear. So you have enjoying the rear view window. Backup camera prep, expandable leopard ladder prep. This is another opposing slide, and as I said, nice kitchen countertop in the middle with the two opposing slide out. All the city water connections and 50 amp power cord and 50 amp service. Endless hot water heater, Suburban, 60,000 PTU. And then you have the outside shower, hot and cold. This is a beautiful fiberglass side walls, no seam whatsoever. So better installations, better look, and no seams on the side walls. Folks, I don't know how to say it. This unit, what is behind me, it has completely the extreme. This is, I call it Dubai Blink. I call it trailer from the space. A lot of new things nobody has, but we got it here on the Wildwood 270 Zenix. Come in and look at it, and we have a price. We assure you no one will match the price in the state of California on this unit, and we pass all the saving to you and no any hidden fees.